In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can stop random USB connection or disconnection sounds on Windows 11. So let's get started. First is try to disconnect and then reconnect the USB. Okay, so try on that. Then for the next method, right click at the start button and go to device manager. Now expand the list for universal serial bus controllers. And here simply look for your device, your USB device, and then all you have to do is right click, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here simply choose the latest driver or the driver that will work for you and click on next. So Windows has successfully updated the drivers, then simply close this and click on the yes button to restart your Windows. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can produce more useful tutorials for you. Then click on the start button and go to settings. Then you have to click on system on the left pane, scroll down and then you have to click on sound. Scroll down and you have to click on more sound settings. Then here simply click on the sounds tab. Then simply scroll down and we need to look for device connect. Once you find device connect, click on that. And then for the sounds, click on the drop down and simply choose none. Apply and then OK. And that's it. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.